What are we doing today, sir? We are installing HIDs on the truck, finally. So I'm finally putting HIDs in the truck because I installed LEDs in a previous video and I wanted to put HIDs to match the LEDs. But first, what I need to do is I need to get my HID kit and kind of mock up where everything's gonna go. It's kind of windy and I'm the only one here, so I'm pretty much just gonna make a montage of me doing everything. But first things first, we're gonna pull the lights out and see where we can sort of put the ballast for the HIDs. Even though this isn't a how-to video, I'm still gonna go over the basics of what comes with a HID kit. So you get your ballast and then you get the HID bulb, and pretty much all you have to do is you plug all of the things in. With this one that I got from Kenson, I think that's the company, you gotta plug this into that, and then you plug the other end into the actual socket from the car's wiring loom. So without, further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so I have one side installed. It's the passenger side. The driver's side is still installed for a very good reason, because what I am doing at the moment is adjusting the level of the headlights. Now, this is very important, because if you don't do this, you're pretty much driving with high beams on around all the time, and you're gonna piss off a lot of people. So all I have to do is turn the adjustment screw, which is the bottom of this hole, for my headlights. And I'm gonna try and level them with the old factory setting for normal headlight bulbs. But now that I got that all finished, I'm gonna start working on the driver's side HID. Alright, so that's that. I got the HIDs installed. I've got them adjusted properly up against the wall. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And, yeah.